Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Toyota Prius shocks. First, gather all your necessary tools and parts. You will need a floor jack, 2 sturdy jack stands, and a lug wrench. Also, have your new shocks, spring compressors, and a reliable torque wrench ready. Don't forget essential safety gear like gloves and eye protection. Proper preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. To begin with the front, safely lift your Prius and secure it on jack stands, then remove the front wheels. Next, carefully disconnect any brake lines or ABS sensor wires attached to the strut assembly. Using appropriate wrenches, unbolt the 2 lower strut mounting bolts and the 3 upper strut nuts located under the hood. With these fasteners removed, you can gently pull the entire strut assembly out. Moving to the rear, first support the rear axle with a floor jack for safety. Locate and unbolt the single lower shock mount from the control arm. Inside the trunk, you will find the 2 upper shock mounting bolts. Remove these carefully. Once both the upper and lower fasteners are loose, you can gently pull the old rear shock absorber free from its mounting points. This process is generally simpler than the front. For installation, use spring compressors to safely transfer the coil spring from the old strut to the new one. Install the new shocks, ensuring all bolts are tightened to the manufacturer's specified torque, typically around 60 to 80 foot-pounds for major fasteners. Reconnect all brake lines and sensors, double-checking their routing. Finally, it is highly recommended to get a professional wheel alignment to ensure optimal handling and tire wear.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.